we can confirm that Umkhonto weSizwe is more than ready to host a successful People's Rally on Sunday, the 15th of December 2024, here in Moses Mabhida Stadium. That the venue has been confirmed, fully paid, and all areas of compliance have been fulfilled 100% in terms of what is expected to happen. And we have secured transportation, which are buses and taxis for all the 11 regions of KwaZulu-Natal, for all the 44 municipalities of KwaZulu-Natal. So we'll be transporting people from Mkhanyakude, from Zululand, from Ugu, from Tukela, from Amajuba, from Zinyati, from Gungundlovu, from all the regions, from eThekwini, in all the zones, the 16 zones of eThekwini, we're going to be taking people to, they're going to be bringing people to Moses Mabhida, from Ilembe, from King Tetwa, from all the regions and all the municipalities, we're going to be bringing the people. And we want to state that we are not going to provide transport for members and supporters of Umkhonto weSizwe from other provinces other than the province of KwaZulu-Natal. The capacity of the stadium and the logistical arrangements and preparedness that we've put in place will not be adequate to host the entire country for the first anniversary celebrations. It is not practically possible to accommodate all provinces. So it is not because of incompetence or the recklessness of the provincial leadership structures or MPLs that we are not bringing people to Moses Mabhida from other provinces. And there are, of course, people who have made commitments to buy the tables which are on offer. Platinum table where the president will be sitting is priced at 2 million rands. And there is an offer, a firm offer, which is not going to be turned back of someone who said they're going to purchase that table to support Umkhonto weSizwe. And there's many other offers that are coming as well for the other tables that are on offer for the leadership. But of course, we still open for those who want to participate in the gala dinner of the soon-to-be government of this province, if not the whole of South Africa. Umkhonto weSizwe Party.